Friends, we all know that our phone is connected to a network. Without the network, smartphones have no use. Because this network helps us to communicate with each other, do you know this network works with a plan? This plan is called network topology. Network topology is like a map that shows how devices in a computer network are connected to each other. It is the arrangement or layout of these connections, kind of like how roads are set up in a city. Nowadays, various types of network topologies decide how devices are connected in computer networks. Some common topologies are bus, ring, star, etc. Based on this explanation, here is a multiple choice question. In a dash network, all devices are connected to a device called a hub and communicate through it. And the options are bus, star, ring, mesh. Let's explore all the options one by one and try to find the correct answer. Bus topology. In a bus network, devices share a single digital road cable connecting them all. However, too many devices talking at once can cause traffic jams, slowing down communication. Star topology. In a star network, all devices connect to a central hub. This hub manages communication, ensuring organized and efficient data flow between devices. Ring topology. A ring network forms a closed loop passing information in one direction, much like a relay race. However, if one device has an issue, it can disrupt the entire loop, affecting communication. Mesh topology. In a mesh network, devices connect directly to multiple others, creating a web of connections for robust communication. However, it requires more connections and can become complex to manage. So, the correct answer is star topology. In this setup, all devices connect to a central hub directing data flow. This hub ensures that if one device wants to talk to another, it sends the message through the hub, creating an organized and efficient system for devices to communicate. This centralized arrangement simplifies the network's structure, making it easy to manage and ensuring reliable communication in our digital world. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book. Exploring these sections can provide additional knowledge and context and help you to understand the topic more.